Hi, welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. In this video, we will introduce you to the main features of the product. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Kärcher T11 1 Classic HEPA is a professional vacuum cleaner, featuring an 11-liter container made of durable plastic, designed for continuous professional use. The compact structure includes a wide bumper to protect furniture and walls during movement, while the swivel casters allow smooth handling even in confined spaces. With a weight of 4.2 kilograms, it can be easily transported between different areas, including stairs and corridors. The suction system is powered by an 850-watt electric motor, delivering a suction power of 235 mbar. The noise level is 61 decibels, allowing operation even in sensitive environments. It is equipped with a HEPA 14 filter capable of retaining 99.995% of fine particles. The standard equipment includes a modular suction hose, rigid extension tubes, a switchable floor nozzle for hard and textile surfaces, a fleece filter bag, an accessory holder and an integrated cable hook to keep all components properly stored during operation. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.